In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Basecamp for time tracking and invoicing through integrations. While Basecamp itself doesn't have built-in time tracking or invoicing capabilities, it works seamlessly with several external tools that can manage these tasks for you. Today, we'll explore how you can make the most out of these integrations, focusing particularly on using Harvest, one of the most popular options available for this purpose. First, let's go over the process of setting up time tracking with Basecamp using Harvest. To begin, you'll need to sign up for a Harvest account if you haven't already done so. Once you're logged into Harvest, navigate to the settings, which you'll find in the top right corner of the interface. In the settings area, look for the integration section located on the left panel of your screen. Click on it to proceed. Now let's connect Basecamp to Harvest. Look for Basecamp in the list of integrations. Here you'll want to click on Get the Extension, which will allow you to install the Harvest extension directly onto your browser. Following its installation, open Basecamp. Go to your project and head over to the To-Dos section. You should now see a small clock icon to the left of each task. Click on this icon and it will seamlessly open up the Harvest Time Tracker for you. Once the Harvest Time Tracker is open, log into your Harvest account again. At this stage, you can click Start Timer to begin tracking the time you spend on a task. It's a straightforward way of ensuring you have an accurate record of your work, which will be pivotal when it comes to invoicing your clients. Moving on to the invoicing aspect, head back to the Harvest website, look towards the top of the screen for the Invoices option, click on it, and then select New Invoice. Here you're presented with various options to customize your invoice. Select the appropriate client, choose the invoice type, and specify the project related to the invoice. After entering these details, configure the billable hours. You can decide how these hours are displayed on the invoice, ensuring clarity for both you and your client. Once you have checked everything, click Review Invoice to give it a final look over. If everything appears correct, click Save Invoice. Finally, once your invoice is saved, Harvest provides you with a link that you can copy. Share this link directly with your client. It's that simple. This makes the entire process from time tracking to invoicing efficient and professional. By leveraging these integrations, you can transform Basecamp into a powerful tool for managing your time and finances effectively. This method not only optimizes your workflow, but also ensures you get paid accurately for the hours you dedicate to your projects.